What is up, guys? Sean TV here, back at your new vlog. And today, we are in New York again. We're in New York again, but this time we're going to the New York City car show or auto show. Same thing, right? We got David here with me. Not just cars. We got my mother here with me. So this should be pretty fun. Fire. Stop, and roll. Before we go to the car show, we're gonna go to some.
Go to the car show.
Did I ask? We're gonna go to a camera place somewhere, like around the block somewhere.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
It's like around the block. The camera place.
Camel?
Camera. Why are we going to a camel place?
Maybe we could ride camels.
I want to ride a camel. You want to ride a camel?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Ride a camel and we'll go to Abu Dhabi.
We're going to Abu Dhabi? Dubai? Jamba Juice. You want a Jamba Juice? I want a Jamba Juice. Every time I come out here, it's closed. What's today's date? It's the 5th, and they're closed on the 5th. Like, every time I come out here, it's like they're closed. Like, I don't know what the problem is.
They open on Sunday.
Sunday, but like, ugh. Well, to the car show we go.
Slower, feelings grow stronger when I'm with you. Somewhere I've never been before. You'll take me. I ain't used to this craving.
I know y'all can't see me because I'm too dark, but, and I know y'all can't hear me either, but I have been to this car show many times, so I'm not no newbie. I know where to go, I know what to do, so just thought I had to put that out there. Oh my God, it's in my eye! Alright, you guys, so we are in the building. This is what it look like. It look like futuristic. Oh, look at that. Can I even zoom in? Nope. My zoom not working. But can y'all see that? Got some classic cars over here.
Yeah. What about this year? I don't know, I can't tell for the sun.
We got some more classic cars over here.
Is this the actual people's cars?
I don't know.
So this car actually yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? What are you staring at? Yeah.
The can?
Yeah. Right now we're on the way to the Jeeps. Because, you know, for the people who are watching, for the people who don't know me, for the people who know me,
spin it.
Shut up! For the people who know me,
spin it.
know I love Jeeps. It's my favorite car ever. And yeah, but we're about to go check out the cars that are on the way to the Jeeps as well. So this should be pretty fun. This is my new car, y'all. I'm a soccer dad. I like this. Where the Range Rovers at? That's what I want to see. That is not one. Hey, mom, you a soccer dad. I got you on his practice.
You're kissing the light though.
Yeah. That's nice. On to the next one. Come on, y'all. Do you like this one? No, bro. Move. You like this one? What car is this?
The Tundra and the Tacoma. These off-road pieces are ready for action.
Toyota. It's my team right here. I'm going that car. I don't want to go in that car, that's a mess. Now I don't want to go in that car, that's a Jets. I'm going this car, this is my favorite team right here.
We'll send everybody downstairs after the show, okay? We'll be down here.
You like this one?
All right, thanks, Kevin. We got a minute and 22 seconds.
I'm getting the passenger seat.
Yeah, I would definitely.
Oh yeah, this is what I like. This. Oh, that's nice or whatever. Oh, shit, my backpack.
Where you want to go?
Hey man, let's go to Jamba Juice.
Oh, it's his stomach.
Let's go to
See, look, you gotta go.
yeah.
This is not this. This is like reverse.
This is, I know this is not a 6-speed, right? Oh, you gotta use this? Like in the games.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go check out some more stuff. So what are we about to do? What are we about to do?
What?
What are we about to do?
Go in the car with the VR.
It's like a VR type thing. It's like some like VR types of stuff. I don't know. I did it last year, but I crashed automatically. Alright, so David's going in first.
This vehicle will let you slalom ski through city streets.
Yep, and we're actually beta testing it right now.
Hello, Mr. Dummy.
In Europe.
An awesome race series. What is it? This new series when everybody know Rally America Racing. That is a stock RAV4, 2-wheel drive, no special suspension. It is stock. They put these crazy off-road boards in back.
Here's the Maseratis. Move, bro.
87,000 started.
I told you it wasn't 100,000.
After put on some fancy rims and change the safety, that's $100,000. That's it. And that started. We can go in the car.
Oh, never mind. How much is this one? How much is this one?
And they got it.
150,000.
What did I tell you? Don't argue with me. But this is start. Remember that it's starting.
Actually, this is the car right here.
Oh, never mind.
That's the one.
150, 148, you know.
It's not that bad.
Take their hands off.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is my dream that you're paying for.
Oh, hell no! Is this like the clothing line or something? Alright. Another reason why I came here is because I want to see a Range Rover. Got some nice cars too. That's like the second car I want, like for family. It's a good family car. Fit hella kids in that kind of car. That way. It's electric? What does that mean?
What does it mean that it's an electric car? It's an electric, it's a charger.
Oh. Oh, that's cool. Hold on. Hold on.
Ladies and gentlemen, to essential Bugattis. Feel the warning of the essential luxury that respect is at the heart of what we do.
These those super duper duper cars.
Let me see. Let me see if you want to do it here.
Bentley. Oh, these ones with the suicide doors. So they come out like differently. Damn. It's a Bugatti right there. Lamborghini over there. This right here, I think it's the i8, right? Let me check. Yeah, i8.
We're starting. We're starting.
I'll be able to afford it one day.
Alright, better learn to afford two.
Alright, that's a it's another i8. Yeah. Don't honk it. Stop. Hey, Lexi, if you're watching this, I'm gonna buy you this car soon. Just wait on it. Bet on it. Wait and bet on it. I'm gonna buy you this car. Lexi, I'm telling you, if you're watching this, this is gonna be your car in a couple years. Just saying that right now. What? We just showing them my Benzie. This is my car right here.
Yeah, okay.
This is my car right here. Spent a couple $100,000 on this car. Right, David? I don't know why all these people like surround my car, but like, this is like my car.
This is my car.
This is my car. You're giving it a test drive. This is my car. This is my car.
Yeah, do you see these cup holders?
I can't believe I wanted you, yeah.
Like if I want to put a cup
But we need to get some money.
holder.
Get some money. Yo, I'm itching to go to the Jeeps, bro. It's not even funny, but we got some Audis up here. I'm itching to go see them cars, bro. I see my car. Yo, I see my car. I see my car. I see my car. I see my baby. Oh my god. It looks so good. I'm gonna cry. It looks so beautiful. When I say this is my dream car, this is my dream car. Oh my god. It looks so good. Mom, can we get it? Can we get it? Sure, baby.
Starts at
Dude, I'm actually in love with this car, bro. Here, that's like a summer car. This right here is the one I want. Well, yeah, but like it's like different. Like it's not like as open. Yo, it isn't. Well, it looks like one. I still want to get it. I don't really care. Alright, you guys, let's start my first car right now. So, where do you guys want to go?
Where do you guys want to go?
Where do you guys want to go? Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Put down in the comments where we should go.
Yeah, put down in the comments where we should go. And in our next video, we're gonna go to that place. And it's my new Jeep right here. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Yep. Yeah.
Alright, we out.
Alright, you guys, so this is about my first car right now. So, where do you guys want to go?
Where do you guys want to go?
Where do you guys want to go? Where do you want to go?
I don't know. Put down in the comments where we should go.
Yeah, put down in the comments where we should go. And in our next video, we're gonna go to that place. And it's my new Jeep right here. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Yep. Yeah.
Alright, we out.
Pink trip. You got all the snacks?
Yeah.
Alright, bro. Camping trip, here we go.
What's doing there?
It's a camping trip, ma.
All aboard.
We're going on a camp.
This is a minivan. Not a van. This is a holy fuck.
It's a camp. We're going on a camping trip. This Jeep right here is like cool. It's like a matte black kind of thing. I don't know what kind of color that kind of thing is. I like the wheels on it.
Where you going?
Oh, I could win the car. Go on the passenger.
No, we gotta go.
Oh.
You want to try to win the Jeep?
Hell yeah. Yeah, this is dope, bro.
What if you do it and I win?
I'm gonna hurt you. Or either that or I'm gonna steal the car from you. I could win this.
I'm very excited about that. Go over there.
No, I'm very
Go over there
excited.
and
Register me in.
register in what?
To win.
You think you're gonna win a car?
I want that. The slingshot.
You gonna take it from?
I don't know. Can you go win it?
That shit big as hell.
Now somewhere downstairs, it's like a little like Jeep ride where it's like, I'll show you guys later, but it's like a Jeep ride where you go on like obstacle courses and stuff. It's kind of cool. I won this 2 years ago, but yeah, I'm about to go try it out later on. Yeah, we kind of got trapped in somebody's back van, so like, we're kind of trapped in here.
Rescue!
Bro, We need somebody to save us because like we're kind of stuck in here. We need somebody to save us, bro. Somebody help us, please. Help us. Please, someone. Alright, so we gotta go do some basketball or something, but you know me. Gotta do like my little stretches. I do play a little ball myself. I mean, shit every time.
Go to dance break with Jordan.
Yeah.
Sorry?
I went 4 for 10.
Is it?
I beat him 1v1 on 2K and in real life. I'm just so good at basketball. Anybody who wanna verse me can verse me. So yeah. All right, you guys. Now we're about to go eat, and then we're gonna go to the Jeep ride that I was talking about. The drug. So yeah. Look, you wanna drink your Starbucks?
No, I'm saying we got it.
I don't know. Toyota ride. Oh shit. This is the Toyota ride that we're also gonna be doing after the Jeep ride. The Jeep ride is somewhere, it's over there. So yeah. All right, guys. So right now we are in the Toyota ride thing.
For the ride.
So
there's 4, that's 4 cameras, so that's 4 separate. It pieces all 4 of them together, and then that's a computer generated picture. So it's not the actual car, it's a picture of the car. Push button start. Nice, I remember that was like the latest and greatest thing. This is the 3.5 liter V6 version of the Camry XSE, so we're gonna do an acceleration run. Swerve around our little telephone pole there and then slam on the brakes. Sound good?
yeah.
I like one.
Oh yeah. Alright. Here we go, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh my god!
Oh my god. Yo.
Very smooth, then it goes right back to being, you know, daily driver. You can drive to work every day. So. This is cool too. So with the cameras here, you can actually do a full 360 around the car. So you can see
that was
your
crazy.
parking space.
After this one, we're gonna go on the Jeep ride that I was talking about.
And we have it set up to, on the, it's a little bit more.
Right now, I'm just gonna enjoy the experience right now. So I'll get back to you in a little bit. Guys, yeah. All right, you guys, we just got off the Toyota ride. That was crazy. We were doing like spins and like turns and stuff. It was crazy. But now we're gonna go on the Jeep ride that's over there. That should be fun. So I'll catch you guys when I'm in line. This car show must not do YouTube because they got the whole red carpet out for me and everything. So you know, I mean, it ain't really nothing.
Trampling on your red carpet.
Ain't really nothing. Just welcome to the red carpet. I know. Thank you. I love all my fans. Thank you. I don't. I love all my fans. I love all y'all. Thank you. All right, enough playing around. Let's go on the ride.
All right, front right tire's in the air right now. Hold on, here we go. Yeah, so I'm Cody, and this is the 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk that we're in. Now we are in 4-wheel drive roll for the whole ride. That's why we can do all this. Like we're gonna drive up a bunch of stairs. Yeah.
So we going up the stairs?
Yeah, sure are. No longer have to walk. We just drive right up them. We have 8.7 inches of ground clearance, steel skid plates underneath the Jeep for protection. Yeah, I know it. Right back down. All right.
Now we're going to some rocks.
Yeah, I'm gonna drive over a bunch of potholes here, just some New York City streets. Yep. Yep.
Ow! Hit my head.
All right, now we're gonna go sideways here, 30 degrees.
30. Oh!
There it is.
This car don't flip.
Low center of gravity, so it's very stable. You know, as long as you're going at lower speeds.
Oh, that's what I was saying. It was gonna get stuck. Remember what I was telling you?
Yeah, angles.
Oh.
Yeah, very capable vehicle. Very capable vehicle.
Now we're going to a traction, right?
Yes, yeah. We're gonna show you the traction, how easy it is to climb up 35 degrees, 18 feet at the top, no problem. Barely have to give it to the gas. We'll just ease right on up.
Take
So what are we gonna do now? What are we gonna do now? I ask you. We'll do some VR type shit. Right up there. It's right up there. Yeah, 30-minute wait. But it's worth it. So right now we are in like the upstairs area. It's like motorcycles and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Alright, you guys.
YouTube be stupid.
Listen.
Don't follow me. I'm just kidding.
I was looking for the bathroom for 30 minutes. David's saying, read. You're gonna find it eventually. And I still couldn't find it. And guess where it was? We were right over there. And the sign is right here. I feel dumb now. You are too.
But
Yeah, exactly. She said I'm not.
yes, she is. He is though.
No, you just told me she. Now we're gonna fight.
Okay, what's up then?
Bet.
What's up? Put in the floor, we'll fight.
Fine.
What's up then? What's up then?
Okay. Yeah. All right, guys. So we're about to leave this place now. We're about to leave. Yeah, we're gonna go to dinner. And then,
Uber. She wants her Uber account so she can get.
hell no. She ain't getting off my Uber. Ain't getting off my card. Anyways, we're gonna go to a restaurant, eat some dinner, and then we're gonna head back home. I had a fun day. Did you have a fun day?
No.
Cool. Wait, what?
So yeah. All right.
I had a fun day.
Bye, people.
Nigga, you ugly. Alright, so I'm in Barnes & Noble, and my mom surprised me with my cousins being here. So, Blake,
Like,
say hi.
say hi.
Okay.
That's your vlogging camera?
Yeah, this is my cousin Mason.
Hi.
This is my auntie.
Wait, that's other way.
Yeah, that's my cousin. So right now, we're about to go out to eat, and then we're about to go home. So we're gonna go to Max Brenner, I think that's what it's called. All right. Well, I'll see y'all when I get in the store. I mean, the outside the store, the restaurant. We're not gonna eat there instead.
You even told
2
her
hours, 2.5. Yeah, I did. I showed it. 2.5 hour wait. Hell no. I'm not waiting that. So we're gonna try and find. Yeah, let's eat at Santander, the bank. Can you see that? Want to eat here? All right, cool. So now we have nowhere to eat, but we're gonna find somewhere eventually. I know y'all can't see me, but right now we're in this restaurant called El Cantinero, something.
Y'all can't see me.
Yeah, they really can't. I blend in with light. But yeah, I'm about to order my stuff, and I'm about to show y'all my food, and then I'm about to spend time with my family and just grab it up.
I'm your family?
Yes, David, your family. God, I love you so much. I don't. Alright, you guys, so we're all kind of getting a little bit cranky because we're kind of tired now. I'm tired. My stomach's kind of hurting. My stomach kind of hurts, but I'm tired as hell. I'm about to take the illest nap on this train ride, so yeah. Oh, look at this. We're not even at the car show anymore. And what is this? Black Lamborghini. We're not even at the car show anymore. We still found this. Damn, that's crazy. Hold on.